Google just launched its new model, Gemini 2.0 Pro, and it's accessible by free users through Google AI Studio. Well, today I'm going to compare and review this model with other newly launched models like Le Chat by Europe, um, from Europe, OpenAI's O3 Mini High mode, and Deepseek R1. Right. Um, let's start with classic questions which are tricked a bit. Since all these four models are reasoning models, I'm going to focus on mathematics, physics, and coding more today. Okay, so you're in a room with four light switches, which light bulb switches. Each switch controls one of the four light bulbs in an adjacent room. You can go into the room with the light bulb once, only once. How can you determine which switch controls which bulb? Okay, so if there are three switches, it's easy, right? Switch on and off, that's binary. We can tell two bulbs and the two switches apart, but now we have three. Then we take advantage of the heat effect. We turn one on, and after a few minutes, we turn it off and switch, probably another switch on, so that there is bulb lit, only one bulb lit in the other room. And then we go inside and we can tell, well, which one controls which by two types of signals. Okay, now there are four switches and four light bulbs. So we have this change because I want to eliminate the effects of memory. Since these models are trained with internet resources, which could contain the solution. So let's try something variant. So let's give it a shot. Well, after a few seconds, it's presenting the answer. Let's see. Switch one on and turn the first off and turn on the second one. And switch 3 and 4, they're off. Enter the room, observe the bulb. Here's how you determine which switch. Okay. Bulb on, which is controlled by switch number 2. Bulb off but warm, controlled by switch number 1. That's correct. Switch code, 2 bulbs that are off and code controlled by switch 3 and 4. You never touch them. You can't differentiate them, these two, without text stamps. You've solved the core puzzle by identifying which pair corresponds to those switches. I don't think this is a pass, such as LED do not go off significantly. Okay. The trick is to, well, you can tell the difference of heat, right? There is a temperature difference if you turn one on for longer time. Okay, so that's a trick. Now let's go to Deepseek. Wait, normally it takes longer to think, so we'll just key in the message and then switch to another one. Okay, now let's go back to Deepseek where it's still thinking. What about this one? Normally, the Chat is very fast. Okay, it's still the old solution. Very warm water. Oh, Blush Lampe. What is the German? Interesting. Okay, it seems it just memorizes these answers. Still, you can't tell the number 4 and number 3 apart. Okay, let's come back. Well, easy. Okay, let's give another prompt. What about the switch 3 and 4 without using LED? Let's give it a go. Okay, it's not searching. Okay, modified, let's see it. One trip solution does not exist. Well, it seems it doesn't think that much. Not enough, not like a human. Okay. You have to go back again. No, you don't have to. Okay, let's see. No, I think we found the limit. Oh, okay, you're busy. Probably this one, I will only hope, is busy. That I managed with the mobile app. So the solution presented is similar to those by the other 3 models. So the conclusion on this physics challenge is that all 4 models failed. Gemini model 2.0 Pro experimental. And let's find the answer for this ethical CMA question, physics challenge. Okay, let's find the answer. Okay, in the process, it's heading the right way. Okay, it takes only 11 seconds. It's quick. The MA physics challenge to Le Chat. Okay. Here's reasoning steps. Okay, so far so good. Okay, this is good. Okay. No, here it gets wrong, confused. So the actual answer is E. All right. The MA physics challenge. So let's see the result. Okay. We could do this calculation yourself. It seems it gives the right answer. The second try. Well, that's a correct answer, but it took really long time. Well, it's over 1 minute. Right. Pass the same question to ChatGPT 03 Mini High. But there's a difference. Since the other three models can take image as input, it gets multiple choice question. The options can be confusing, can be misleading. So that's why the SHA got it wrong the first time. But the second time, I only gave the textual information without the options. It got it right. But now it only thought for 4 seconds. Let's see the answer. Okay. So potential energy, yeah, that's the first step, and the kinetic energy, the second step, and it has to decode the conditions it provides. Right, seems to be right, but the thing is, it does not account for the difference between the total initial energy and the initial kinetic energy. So it overestimated the answer. It's wrong. So I asked it to rethink, but the result is the same. So it's not a pass. So in conclusion, in terms of this F equals to MA problem, 3 models got right on the second, within the second 2 tries. Le Chat got it wrong the first time and got to the right correctly. Got to the right in the second time, while Google Gemini 2 Pro and the Deepseek got it right, while the Gemini thought faster than Deepseek, which spent more than 1 minute on this question. Okay.